Good morning, dear students. In our class, we have completed 4 lessons. First 2 lessons, contemporary India, contemporary world. First 2 lessons, and we have also studied about the contemporary India, and less 2 books also here, democratic politics and economics. My dear students, in 9th class there are 4 books in your course and different type of lessons. In first book, reference with history; second book, reference with political; third book, reference with economics; or fourth book's reference with geography. Now we are starting a new lesson today related with the uh, democratic politics. Lesson number 1. What is democracy? डेमोक्रेसी क्या है, वाई डेमोक्रेसी, और डेमोक्रेसी क्यों? स्टूडेंट्स, डेमोक्रेसी is a form of related with a government. What is the type of government related with democracy? Now in the world, many of the countries have a democratic government and their representative were elected by the people. Now we start here. Students, this lesson was started with a talking between a girl Mary, a student Mary, and with Lingo madam. They are talking about democracy. What is democracy? What is the meaning of democracy? What is the definition of democracy? And they discussed about all the things. In the discussion, the decision is made here. First, the important and very important definition belonged to democracy told by the first American president, Mr. Abraham Lincoln. Abraham Lincoln says about democracy: democracy is a government of the people, by the people, and for the people. The 3 words very important in the definition: of the people, by the people, and for the people. It means गवर्नमेंट ऑफ द पीपल, लोगों की सरकार है; बाय द पीपल, लोगों के द्वारा सरकार है, अर्थात लोगों के द्वारा गवर्नमेंट को इलेक्ट किया गया है; एंड फॉर द पीपल, लोगों के लिए चुना गया है. दैट इज मीनिंग ऑफ द डेफिनेशन. नाउ वी प्रोसीड हियर. व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ डेमोक्रेसी? डेमोक्रेसी वर्ड इट कम्स फ्रॉम Greek language, Greek word demokratia. The Greek word here, demokratia. Demokratia comes from 2 words, demos and kratia. Demokratia comes from 2 words, demos and second kratia. First, demos means होता है people and kratia means rule. It means rule of people. The meaning of demokratia means rule of people. Now we discussed about simple definition. It is created by us. Democracy is a form of government. Democracy is a form of government in which the rulers are elected by the people. In which democracy is a form of a government in which government is elected by the people. Rulers are elected by the people. It is very, very important in this chapter. And now we will also talk about the word. My dear students, I have already told you that mostly country have a democratic government, whereas some other countries has no democratic government. In this process, I talk with the countries. First, Myanmar. Myanmar is not a democratic government. Myanmar has a not democratic government because in the Myanmar army rule here, because the government was controlled by the army in Myanmar oblique Burma or Burma. And in the same way, Chile, the government was not elected by the people. It means dictatorship. Next, Saudi Arabia. Saudi Arabia is also to be born into the royal family. In this country, the ruler was not elected by the people, but not dictator. But on the other hand, he was the son of his father. Only behalf them, only behalf him, only behalf his father, he ruled him in his country. Next point, we proceed. Features of democracy. What is the features of democracy? It means what is the main elements which play role in democracy. Main role. The first, rulers. Who is the ruler? Ruler means Shashak. Ruler is elected or non-elected. And the second point, elections. Elections is held or not held. Third, the people. People have a right to elect, to vote or not. And form of government. Fourth number, form of government. Form of government means for government give the people vote or not to elect to vote, and government gives the rights to the people or not, because in a democracy, in a democratic government, right of the people was very important, but we have no right, so we have no democracy in the people. I think you understand the lesson, and after the second video we further told you. Now I will also clarify that you in future days we have also conducted a test, a class test, and I inform you in the WhatsApp group before 2 or 3 days, and then I also told you that what is the process of the test, and notify the messages in WhatsApp group. Thank you.